I can feel the vibrations going through my body, and it's incredibly soothing. And it's very difficult to put into words. That's all I can say.
So is it hard to put in words because you have trouble thinking about it, or because it's just there's no words for it?
There's no words for it because you're feeling vibrations through your body. And I find it's a hard thing to describe how it feels.
Yeah.
It just feels incredibly good. It's a very calming and soothing feeling.
And how tense were your muscles from a scale from 0 to 10 before?
I would say maybe about a 4, but mostly my upper back, my shoulders.
Okay.
More so up there.
And what would you think it's now? Is it changing?
I would say definitely changing. I feel my shoulders dropping. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Makes a lot of things. How is your breathing?
It's good. It feels more open, actually, because I have a tendency to hold my breath.
Yeah.
So I think that's what I was just going to say when you asked that. When you go through the middle of my back, and I feel the vibration going up more toward the center, where say my lungs are, it feels very soothing there.
So you're breathing deeper.
Yeah, it's more open.
Good. And that all in 2 minutes.
Yeah, I can't wait to get a bigger session. It's incredible.
Thank you so much.